Hello guys, this is Shu channel. Today I want to talk about how I maintain my body figure. If you are a viewer of my channel, probably you know I'm keep training myself twice a week. So that's why I have muscle like this, and then obviously I have six-pack abs right now, even I'm 45. And to achieve this, I have some tips I can give it to you. I think it's easy way to maintain your body. Okay, I will show you how I maintain my body. Okay, but before watching this video, please subscribe to my channel and also put the notification bell not to miss my new videos. Thank you very much. And I have to wash my heat prevented bottle. How can I say that? Heat prevent bottle. It prevents heat to go out from the bottle. And first, I'm keep intaking vitamin C. You know what a vitamin C is. Vitamin C can be source of our skin beauty, and also it can heal our body. But before that, I put a little bit of salt like this, and this bottle is about 1 liter, I think, and I'll put this. And I put the water here. Wait a moment. In my faucet, it has water purifier in here, so water coming out from this faucet is clean and no contamination. And salt, you can use any salt. I think this is typical salt I can buy in Japan, but also you can buy salt easily in the Philippines as well. And this is vitamin C. For this vitamin C, it contains 900 grams, and it costs about 430 pesos per product. So it's not expensive, I think, because it can last 3-4 months like that. So it's actually cheap. And I put this, wait a moment. Wow. I put this much vitamin C. I think 3 times is better for this time. Usually I can scoop more healthy easily, but I'm wearing gloves, so it's difficult to scoop. And 3 times like this. Vitamin C is water-soluble vitamin, so if you take a lot of amount at the time, you cannot absorb vitamin C a lot in your body. So we have to divide a little by little So this really works because we can take vitamin C a little by little. A little bit sour, but I like this taste because I feel like I'm being healthy. Okay, and next one is, this is also new for me. Have you ever heard of words proffee? Proffee, proffee. Proffee is combined words of protein and coffee. So it says this is booming around the world right now. It's kind of a trend. So I already prepared some of coffee here in my bottle, and I already bought a lot of protein, and this cup is empty, so I will combine protein with black coffee, and then I will try how it tastes. Okay, wait a moment. Okay, for this time I'll put this amount of protein in my cup like this. Let's go. Protein is already here, and okay, let's put the coffee. Yeah, you guys all know protein has a lot of benefits for us, and also it contains caffeine, some of caffeine, so it's good for before training, because caffeine wakes me up and being energetic while training. But this is hot coffee, so it's not easy to drink immediately. I think I can only drink gradually. But it became creamy smell. Anyway, this protein is whey protein. I bought the cheapest one here in Japan. It has online store. The name of online store is on the cheapest protein store like that. Sorry, I'm not good to express that shop's name. Okay, protein dissolved completely, almost completely, and you can see color is a little bit brownish color. Okay, let's taste. I see. Yeah, it's good for it. It's actually good taste, but this is like we have a product called Creep, yellow capped bottle. It has this kind of color grid on the top of the bin, and the name of product is called Creep in Japan. I think it's the same when I use Creep to the coffee. But actually this is good. Good for before training because I'm taking coffee benefits. Also protein for my muscle gain or keeping my muscle in a good statement. Yeah, I think this is good expression. Because I'm not trying to gain, make it bigger, my muscle anymore. I just want to be right now, stay right now. That's good. Okay, if you were curious about the proffee, please try it in your house. That makes you really energetic. Okay, today's video is it. Again, please subscribe to my channel if you like, and don't forget to put the notification bell to not miss my future videos. Thank you very much from Japan to the Philippines.